I know it is unfair, but this is Indigo means business, right? Hello aviators, welcome to the Crew Hub. My name is Nisha, your very own cabin crew and airline ground staff trainer as well as your career guide. In this video, I'm going to cover each and everything about world's leading airline, Indigo. So through this video, you are going to learn about Indigo Airlines, salary and perks, criteria, application process, interview rounds, and little bit of secrets to crack your interview. So do not skip any of this part because each of the parts is reliable to the next part. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. If you're someone who's watching me for the first time, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button as it motivates me to create new videos for you all. And do watch my previous videos where you are going to gain a lot of knowledge related to the cabin crew, ground staff, aviation, airlines, and so many things. And I'm sure those videos will definitely help you out to clear your next interview. So without wasting your time and my time, let's get into the video. Indigo Airlines was founded by Mr. Rakesh Gangwal and Mr. Rahul Bhatia in 2006. Started as a low-cost carrier. Currently, they have 390 aircrafts in operation covering 122 destinations all over the world, including India. And last year, they purchased 500 aircraft Airbus. This year, they purchased 30 Airbus 350 if I am not mistaken. Additionally, as per the news reports, they are planning to start air taxis in 3 metropolitan cities, Mumbai, Delhi and Bengaluru, considering the traffic, which makes them world's leading airline so far, and it also holds around 62% market share in aviation, including all your other airlines. So Indigo is one of the leading airlines in all over the world, due to which it also comes with lot of new opportunities. And also want to tell one more thing, that it encourages women more. That's why they hire only female candidates. Well, there are various reasons that why they hire female, which all the details is given in the description, so you may go through that. I know it is unfair, but this is Indigo means business, right? So this is the new tagline that they started when they started operation for the business class. Not even a business class, they call it as Indigo Stretch. Many of my students have been selected in Indigo as a cabin crew, and they told me that they were offered 37,500 per month as a salary, and this is what you will also get as once you get selected in Indigo Airlines, and this is a fresher salary. They also informed me that as a cabin crew, they get 2 international layovers every month and 7,000 for one layover. So 14,000 additional amount that you will be earning. So in the rough figure, you can calculate it as 45,000 to 55,000 per month, which you can earn in Indigo Airlines as a fresher. Indigo Airlines is the leading airline in the world, and it also comes with lot of opportunities and growth in future. So if you're someone who wants to make their career and wants to stay back in India, have family, then Indigo is a great platform, because after working in Indigo for 2 years, performing really well, then you will get promoted to the leading lady or in-flight manager, also known as in-flight manager. Here your salary will also get hyped, to be honest, because in here you get salary up to 65,000. This is going to be a basic. International labour allowances remain the same, 7,000 per labour. However, the other domestic labour allowances increases. So here, as a senior crew, not as a senior crew, as an in-flight supervisor, you will be earning up to 65,000 to 85,000 every month. So this is the salary benefits that you can have. Talking about the perks, since the time you become a cabin crew in Indigo Airlines, once you complete your induction, then your free tickets will begin, and after a few days You can add 5 family members into the free tickets. They will also enjoy a lot, like my family did. My family used to travel everywhere, like they utilized the free tickets so much, and more than me, they miss Indigo Airlines, and that's the fact. So yes, you will be able to travel all over the world. Wherever the Indigo is traveling, you can take your family on the layovers. You will stay in a 5-star property. You will earn really good salary, and you will also get medical insurance up to 20 lakh rupees. And if you want to include your family members, then you may go ahead and include them. However, there will be a little bit of amount which will be deducted from your salary for your family's health insurance. International layovers is amazing. You will get good set of crew members everywhere. So this was few perks. Additionally, I want to talk about the security here. Security, a security deposit will be, you will have to pay 50,000 once you get selected. You will complete 3 years of contract period, and after completing the contract period, you will be getting 1,50,000 from Indigo. So after deducting the taxes and everything, then you will get around 1,20,000. Security, I informed you. Additionally, safety of a woman. So pickup and drop services is also provided by the Indigo Airlines once you become a cabin crew. And if you have a layover in Delhi, or if you are a crew in Delhi, post sunset you get a personal bodyguard in the cabs for your safety purposes. So Indigo is very considerable about it. They encourages women empowerment, and that is why they have maximum female pilots in Indigo. So yes, these were your few perks and salary benefits. Now let me help you to understand where and how to check for the interview venues and dates. Before we go ahead, let me explain you about the criteria, as it is crucial for every airline. Number one is they hire only female candidates. The minimum height requirement is 155 centimeters, BMI range, and they are very particular about the BMI range. Should be 18 to 22, not above a 22, not below 17. You should not have any visible tattoo, scars or marks. Fluency in Hindi and English is really important. You should also be able to read, write and understand both the languages. Communication is important. Customer service knowledge is also important. So these are the few criteria that you need to work on. And if you are someone who doesn't know how to improve the communication, does not have any knowledge about the customer service, then I provide courses. 30 days course is also personalized course, 45 days cabin crew course, and also we have 3 months course which is specifically for the beginners who want to start from zero to make themselves 100, and 45 days course is specifically for the people who are really good in English and just wants to gain knowledge, build their confidence, understand the roles and responsibility of a cabin crew, build their confidence and get into the airline. 30 days personalized course is for someone who really wants to invest their time and money to grow themselves, particularly in aviation. So all the details is given in the description, so go ahead and do read out those things, as it is going to help you a lot. And Crew Hub provides India's affordable trainings to as compared to the institution. We don't charge you lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and we don't even waste your time like 1 year at all. No, not required. So let me help you to understand how you can check for vacancies and interview dates. Open Google or Safari. This one I'm doing it through the laptop, but from the phone also, when you open the Google and Safari, there on the search bar, type Indigo Airlines / careers and put it on the search. The moment you do it, the first option you get is Indigo Airlines, and here in the second option you can see they have mentioned IFS, that is cabin crew. So I will just click on this link and then scroll down. Right here you can see view all jobs. Here you can see the guidelines, like when you're preparing for the interview, the moment you go for the interview, these are the few guidelines that you must read and carry the documents they have mentioned here. Other than that, here are some application journey. They will tell you what is going to happen in the interview day. And then eligibility criteria, like I mentioned. This one is, first one is for the experienced employees and second one is for the freshers. Close this, view all jobs. The moment you reach to this page, there you go, new hiring. On your phone also it is same to same. You just need to try to find this particular image where an engineer is looking at the engine of the Airbus. So just no more details, and there you go, they have an hiring going on. Scroll down, here you can see trainee, no, with no flying experience. Okay, that means this is for the freshers only. Here you have all the interview dates and venue. It is essential for each individuals to check their dates and venue before they go for the interview. A day prior at least you need to check everything. From this page also you can see the ground staff vacancies as well. On the top, if you could see, they are hiring. This one is for the this one is for basically airport operation walk-in drives. So here you have all the details of the ground staff that they are hiring. Cool. And now let me just explain you the further details. I know this process is quite easy, but still people are always being reliable on the Instagram post. They look out for that. But one advice that I want to give you, before you go for your interview, it is essential for you to cross check the interview date and venue, because it can get changed anytime. So please always go through the airline's official website. Now let's understand the interview rounds. The interview rounds of Indigo Airlines are: number one, it could be group discussion or a group interview. Group discussion divided, there will be group of 8 to 10 people, and it could also exceed to 20 to 25 people. Yes, there had been an incident where my students have gone to the interview and there were almost 25 people in one group discussion. However, she was so confident enough after the training that she cleared that round. She also informed me that they were also taking group interviews at the same time, where they were asking basic to basic question to check the confidence, tone of voice and communication of each candidate. Post that, she went through the medical round where they were checking the height and the BMI, and she informed me that they are very particular about the BMI as well as the scar. So people who had scar and who had concealed those scars were asked to remove the makeup, the conceal and come back, and people who had active pimples on the day of interview, they were also rejected. And this is not just for the Indigo Airlines, it is basically for Air India, Air India Express and Indigo. These airlines does not accept active pimples when you go for the interview. I know it is unfair, it could be related to the health issues that you have got. It is completely unfair, but also it is important for us to take care of our health. And then after completing the medical round, then they were asked to go for the third round, where she informed me there was a recruiter on the video call and individuals were getting a chance to interact, and she is amazing. She was asking very basic to basic question, more than interview questions. She wanted to know more about her. So she asked them, talk about your native place, what is your favorite food, what do you like to do in your free time, and she was just checking the communication and how good I am in fluency in English specifically. Then after completing the third round, they sent her for the final round, where three candidates were there in the cabin, only one recruiter were there, and there it was a tense mode completely. However, due to my training, she was able to calm down and stay composed throughout the interview. There they were asking about social affair questions, such as what is the current news in India, what do you know about aviation, what is your plan B if not becoming a cabin crew, why you want to become a cabin crew, this many questions. And they were particularly checking for your facial expression, your appearance, your grooming, how dressed are you, how confident are you. So the last round was all about your appearance and your body language. Now let me help you to understand, let me break down each and everything for you in the next slide, where I will be sharing strategies that how you can clear your interview. So I discussed about the interview rounds. Now let me break each and everything how you can clear the interviews. Talking about the group discussion, greet everyone, maintain eye contact with everyone the moment you start your opinion. Share your opinion as much as you want to. Do not cut in between. Second, in the group interview, Here they are checking your confidence and communication. The recruiter will ask you basic questions, so do not exaggerate the topic. Stick to the point, smile as much as possible, and have a kind facial expression. Round number 3, like I mentioned, panel interview. So here you can have a video call interview, or the recruiter will be present right in front of you asking you question. She or he wants to know more about you rather than asking, they will not ask you technical questions such as why you want to be a cabin crew, why Indigo. No, this third round is all about checking your communication and your grammar. So here please ensure that you are really fluent in English, you're not making any grammatical mistake. If you're someone who doesn't know how to speak in English and wants to learn English, then join my 3 months course, which also includes, in that course I have added a package where you will be learning English for 2 months. So every day you will be investing 2 to 3 hours in the classes, and 1 hour will be dedicated for English fluency, and remaining hours we will be learning about the communication, body language, facial expression, interview strategies, resume, how to approach the recruiters, and there are a lot of things. Details is given in the description, so do not waste your time. Take action now if you want to wear your Dream Airlines uniform next year. So in the third panel interview, grammar is essential for you. Please make sure that you're prepared for the basic questions such as talk about your memorable day, talk about your native place. So do not exaggerate, don't go out of the topic. So there are always a stepwise process that you can create your good answers. So make sure you are speaking less with good words and good sentences in between. Now, for example, if the recruiter asks you, talk about your native place. I have seen people talking so many things that how far that their native place is, who all stays in their native place, then how many acres of lands they have in native, and so and so. But that is not how you can create your answer. There are only 4 steps in which you can explain them each and everything. Talking about the name of your native place, why do you like that place the most, what is this place famous for, and a small memory that always makes you interested about your native place. 4, quite enough. They understood what you want to say. So this is how you break through answers. This is what we call as a communication. Not speaking too much, making your answers to the point. And then now moving to the final interview, which is one of the tense mode and the crucial round in Indigo Airlines. Many of the people have faced rejection. My student itself, Miss Khushi June, has faced rejections before meeting me multiple times in Indigo Airlines, and specifically in the third round. And you know what? Today she is flying in international airlines and earning around 2 lakh rupees per month. And she is flying in Flynas right now. So do not lose your hope. If Indigo is not for you, then maybe some other international airlines or domestic airlines is waiting for you. And Khushi is a fresher, and this is the first airline that she got placed in. And I'm really proud for her. Touch wood, yes, yes. Okay. And then talking about the tips here. So the final round is one of the crucial round in Indigo, and many of the good English fluency people, confident people face rejection because facial expression. You showcase the tense face while recruiter is asking you questions. So don't keep your facial expression very kind and composed while interacting with the recruiter. Smile as much as possible. And third, most important thing in the final round is your grooming and your appearance matters the most. Groom yourself as per the Indigo Airlines standard. Okay, wear appropriate outfit. Go through their website. There you will get to know what type of outfits they want a candidate to wear when they go for the interview. So this was a brief detail about everything about Indigo Airlines, like my favorite airline, and I started my career with Indigo, and I'm really thankful that Indigo gave me such a big opportunity in my life, and it literally changed my life completely. And I'm also grateful that I was also working in COVID, and Indigo never left that support that was always there with me. As if I talk about other airlines, their condition was really worst, but Indigo is like a really good airline for someone to start their career with. And if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what videos you want me to make next, and I'll be happy to assist you with more information. Till then, bye bye and best of luck for your interviews.